Welcome to the HardReset channel. Today I'll show you how to set the custom ringtone on the Samsung Galaxy A72. So first let's open settings, let's scroll down from the top right corner and press the settings button here. In settings go to sound on vibration and pick ringtone. To set a custom one, press the plus, get permissions to access your files, and select the audio file you need. You can download or record one like I did.
You have a call.
It plays before you can press done to make sure that you selected the right audio file. Press done. Now you have set a custom ringtone. Thank you for watching, subscribe to the HardReset channel for more videos, leave a like and a comment, and goodbye.